Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do a oil change on a 2022 Grand Wagoneer. The ones that came with a 6.4 liter Hemi. As you can see, there's the oil fill, the dipstick. I've found it easier if you climb behind the rear of the tire. Gives you a little bit more room to slide underneath there, but to show you where the oil filter is, I'm going to slide in from under the front. So as you can see, right behind the tie rods, in front of the CV axles, located right in here, is going to be your oil filter. And then right back here, right there, is going to be a 13 millimeter nut. That'll allow you to drain your oil. And then for this vehicle, it takes 7 quarts of 0W40. Recommends fully synthetic oil.